Tungsten has one of the highest melting points at 3,422 degrees Celsius, that's why it's used in light bulb filaments. On the flip side, mercury is liquid at room temperature with a melting point of -39 degrees Celsius. Let me paint you a picture of these extremes. If tungsten were an athlete, it would be like that super dedicated gym buff who won't break a sweat even in a sauna. It takes tremendous energy to get it to melt down. Mercury, though? It's like that one friend who shows up to practice already warmed up and ready to go. It barely needs any energy to get moving. And here's a fun fact for my students: the substance with the lowest melting point is actually helium. It stays liquid even at temperatures approaching absolute zero unless you put it under pressure. It's like that one hyperactive kid who just won't sit still no matter how cold it gets. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.